Here are some important information about SVD. SVD, full name, Snaperskaya Vintovka Dragunova, type, semi-automatic designated marksman rifle, country of origin, Soviet Union, USSR, designer, Yevgeny Dragunov, designed, 1958–1963, produced since 1963, present manufacturer, Izhmash, now Kalashnikov concern, total production, estimated over 1 million units, primary use, military marksman support action, gas-operated, rotating bolt caliber, 7.62 times 54 mmR, rate of fire, approximately 30 rounds per minute, semi-auto, muzzle velocity, approximately 830 to 850 meter per second, effective range, optics, ~800-1000 meters, maximum range, 1300 plus meters, barrel length, 620 millimeters, overall length, 1225 millimeters, weight, unloaded, approximately 4.3 kilograms, magazine capacity, 10 rounds, magazine type, detachable boxed scope, standard PSO1 4x24, scope rangefinder, built-in for 200-1000 meters, backup sights, iron sights included, bipod, not standard, but can be attached, stock, skeletonized wooden or polymer, recoil, manageable due to weight and gas system, used in Vietnam War, Afghan War, Iraq War, Syrian War, used by Russia, China, India, Egypt, Iran, and 30-plus countries. Known for long-range accuracy and rugged design, role, squad-level designated marksman rifle, DMR, not a sniper rifle, designed for fast follow-up shots, not precision sniping, cold weather use, effective in Arctic and desert climates, durability, high, survives extreme combat conditions, maintenance, easier than bolt-action sniper rifles, barrel life, long-lasting under military use, optics compatibility. Modern SVDs support newer optics, civilian version, Tiger with modifications, suppressor, can be fitted, not common in original use, gas regulator. Yes, for tuning reliability, operating temp, -50 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius, capable, chrome-lined barrel. Yes, for longevity and cleaning ease, ammunition type, 7.62 times 54 mmR, rim, powerful round, ergonomics, older style but functional, reload speed, faster than bolt-action rifles, combat range advantage, outranges standard assault rifles, semi-auto advantage, allows quick multiple target engagement, influenced other rifles, basis for Chinese Type 79/85, nickname, Dragunov, built for Soviet infantry marksman doctrine, design philosophy, accuracy plus speed plus durability, global reputation, legendary Soviet DMR still in use today.